original plate. Put my high voltage plug. Take out power. I need to put a flag in the power that we want anybody working there. Out. High voltage flag up. This is what I'm going into right now. Exit this or stop following me. Let me turn this joint around. Okay. Found my multimeter. So I took out the insulated caps, which would be these. All from up here. Take my voltage meter reading from those two voltage points. Anything over 50, I just check the fuse, which I know my fuse is out already, because as you see in the back there, that's my flag for my high voltage fuse. Telling anybody who's around me that it's out. So I'm gonna check that right now. The top's gonna be positive. It's gonna be this one, and ground's gonna be this one. I'm gonna use my chopstick method. Please don't touch anything. There you go. DC. I did test it on a 12-volt battery, so I know my leads are working. So touch the bus bars. These leads are not the move. We're at negative 0.1.